Take your lab performance to the next level. Get your Multitron with our new HEPA filter. Clean air, reliable results, and maximum efficiency. Air continuously flows through the HEPA filter, which is positioned in the airstream to capture 99.995% of particles greater than or equal to 0.3 microns, including dust, bacteria, and mold. The HEPA filter keeps your cultures in the incubator safe and protects them from harmful airborne particles. Achieve up to Class 10 air quality within 3 minutes after closing the door. The air in the chamber continuously passes through the HEPA filter, keeping your culture secure at all times. The HEPA filter maximizes your throughput and reduces downtime for cleaning and sterilization cycles, allowing 24/7 culturing without interruptions. Boost your lab's efficiency and reliability with the HEPA filter for Multitron. Learn more at INFORS HT.com.